Hello and welcome guys. Now in today's video I will show you how to buy the Dog with Apple token. Now this token is available in PancakeSwap. Now after you open PancakeSwap you can search for it, and after that this is the BNB chain. It's a token based on this BNB chain meme coin. Now connect your wallet. Now select the wallet that you want to connect. I will select MetaMask. Now after that click on connect, and now as you can see our MetaMask is connected. Now from here you can now enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive from this token. Now because I don't have the BNB, if you want to deposit BNB on your wallet, just click on get it now. Now after that select the currency that you want to buy with, and from here select how much you want to buy, like 200. Now after that is how much you will receive of BNB, and now this is the providers. Now make sure to select one of these, for example this Transact. After that click on buy with Transact. They will show you this page to fill your bank information, and now as you can see you can pay with Visa or Apple Pay or Google Play, as you can see, or Google Pay, sorry. Now after that click on buy, and now you will be able to buy this token. Thanks for watching.